to
Science Rules!
I'm Veronica.
I'm Caitlin.
And today we're going to be doing Oobleck. Or quicksand, you know.
It is a non-Newtonian fluid.
A what?
It has qualities of a solid and a liquid.
Oh, a solid and a liquid. That must explain why it's dripping out of my hand right now.
Yep. Right there, too.
What else is it called?
A suspension.
Oh, a suspension. So not a solid, not a liquid, but a suspension.
Yep.
So if you're at home right now and you're stuck inside, like most of us are, and you want to do something cool, like quicksand, let us show you how to do it. It's very messy. All right, to make your very own Oobleck, okay, all you need is awesome cornstarch,
Cornstarch. Woo!
a spoon. No, still can't do it. A container, water, and food coloring. But we don't have food coloring. So we have this awesome looking like colored sand. But it still works. At home, use food color. Alright, so the first thing you do, oh, and measuring cups. Duh, everyone needs measuring cups. Okay, so first you open up your cornstarch. Take 1/4 of a cup. Yeah? Would you like to be honest?
Yes, I would love to.
And pour it in.
Out.
It's very messy. Sorry, parents.
I help.
Alright. And you dump it in. Like so. Mess.
Try not to make a mess.
No big deal. Alright. Then you're going to take your water and you're going to pour it in slowly because you might not need all of it. Alright, and then you take the spoon.
And you mix it.
And then if you have your food coloring, you may add it in now or whatever you have. We have, like I said, this looking sand looking stuff. Ours is going to be pink.
Food coloring is optional though.
Yeah, you don't have to make it colorful. It just makes it look cool.
It's gonna be a little hard to stir.
Which is awesome. It's normal.
Would you like to stir this? We'll get the next
So as you're doing it, if you find that it's too liquidy, it's fine. No big deal. Like ours kind of is. All you have to do is add more
cornstarch.
cornstarch. That was probably
That's
a little too much.
much.
No one saw that. Okay. And because silly me added way too much cornstarch, we're gonna add more water. Now some of them have like 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. And I've done those in the past, but it's easier just to try to do it by hand because sometimes if you follow those, it actually ends up putting too much water in it.
Mm-hmm.
You're continuing to play around with it anyway.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So you know you'll have it when as you're trying to stir it, like so. As you're stirring it, you see it as a liquid, and then the faster you go, it'll start turning into a solid. That's what Oobleck does.
Like I poke it. See, watch me poke it. And
Ready? Put your hand. Wow! It's Oobleck!